So boom, we locked in. All right, I just want to go over GA right now because my bias for this week was bearish, but as this last candle was printed, I feel like we can have a, a push. So let's head to the weekly time frame. It's just to mark up on here. I'm cold, y'all. I'm in the bed. I'm chilling. I'm in the zone. All right, so we're gonna mark on the previous weekly low and the previous weekly high. All right. Work on some of the weekly levels. So this pair is stuck in the range, like I said before. This whole thing has been consolidating within 2 months, and so 2 or 3 months. Let's mark this one right here, because the market tested it right here, broke through it, came back above, tested it one time, stayed above, and then this candle. Let's see. This candle can push up. Let's see how the daily correlates with the weekly. Like a small little double bottom and shit. Okay, so this candle right now that we on took out stops for sales down here. So now that it took out sales, it could still go that direction. So let's put this up here. Did I put that? These levels need to be precise, bro. That's why my take profit be hitting like to the T. Sell limits be triggered to the T. All right, that look better. Let's get the range of this candle right here and see where price is at right now. 50%. Okay, we're on a 38.2. Came down to the 61.8. So y'all, we're ranging within this candle right here. If we can if we can close in the next 2 hours above this level, then I think I'm looking for buys. Yeah. Buys for target 1, target 2, 3, you know. Okay. Right now, I think I want to flip the chart just to see if I'm not seeing something. So if we can break this and continue to the upside. What was the move that caused this push, right? Where is the liquidity? Where is the point of interest? This box is too long. You know, I like my charts cleaner. Let's see if we can get a daily perspective real fast. Okay, from a daily perspective, our point of interest, or where I can see price run into and launch off from, is down here to up here. So let's get this. Okay, I think that's good. Let's go to the 4 hour again. We can tighten it up and even move it. So wait, let's go. Okay. So it's touching this and it's touching this, so we can have a... As long as price doesn't close below here, then we good. It might even wick the next candle or the next 4 candles or whatever can come down here, wick it, and then take off. Let's invert it real fast. Let's go to the 45-minute time frame. Fix that, girl. Fix these lines. I'm basically painting a picture for me. I'm telling a story. Like, I'm trying to see what the end of the story is going to be like. And the end of the story is going to come down here to this level. Let me keep that on there just for a second. Why did price stop right here? It's just the liquidity point of interest right there. So this is what I can see price doing. Left head, right shoulder. As you can see, the 30-minute time frame isn't ready for sales. I mean, isn't ready for buys right now. We can get a better entry right now. So whenever stochastics come back down, which might be down to this point, create that double bottom, may take out take out New York lows, breathe back above, and then head to the upside. This actually looks like the 4th hit or the 5th hit, so that's a good confirmation as well. Let me see. Yeah, this is what I can see happen. This is what the scene is looking like right now. Will the story play out? We're gonna see. You know what I mean? I feel like I am on NZT. You feel me? I'm on that NZT right now. We going beyond boundaries and limitations. Limitless. And if you're on the conservative side, and you're not the aggressive type to just get pinpoint entries or whatever, I don't even think that's the aggressive type. But if we want to even wait for the price to come down and then breathe above these levels right here, once price break this level right here, that's fine. You just find an entry around that area. Take profit, still gonna be a fool, at least 1 to 3, maybe even tighter stop losses. Depends on what session it's gonna take off from and what is it doing. Like, I need my charts to be looking clean. I can't do all that analysis paralysis stuff. Like, all right. But we need to see price respect this level. Because we don't want to see price just outright take this level bearish. All right. This is only one pair. I be thinking of adding more pairs, but I'm like, I don't even trade. Like EU still, I don't want to trade EU right now. And then AN, you know, I have that on the list as well. But I don't want to trade that. GA, I've been trading, having GA on my watch list for years now. And we're going to keep it that way. We're going to keep it that way. See, even if price breaks below this, it needs to immediately come back above. That's when we can have another position for buys up to the target right here. Even right here, like, that's why trade management is so important, because if you get an entry down here and you get all the way up here and price starts struggling, it immediately drops and you didn't secure no profits, or you didn't move your stop loss, and you didn't move your stop loss to break even, and you just let the trade hit your stop loss, or you didn't have a stop loss, you didn't take any partials, no 30%, 50%, 70% partials. Like, it just depends on what type of trader you are, what type of patience you have. You know, is your mental good? Do you have mental clarity? Are you confident on the charts? Do you need to have rules and all that? Do you need to have set rules, or can you like tweak it a little bit? How, like, you know, this is a solo journey. You gotta learn all this stuff. But, all right, that's it for me, y'all. Remember, it's never really right from wrong, but right from left.